Okay, here we are in the back garden, and this is a project I just work on spare time, ongoing thing. Our neighbors have some turkeys that have been getting in here and they eating up a lot of things, gobbling up a lot of things. And so I'm trying to put up this fence, but I need some help, a couple of young guys to help me weave some old cable underneath it. But this stuff's affordable. You run this around the outside. Es affordable, yo poner esto around, voy a the perimeter. Necesita ayuda en jóvenes aquí en the pueblito para ayuda. There's basil, and that's getting ready to go to seed, so that'll be cool. I'm sure a lot of you at home in the States are growing that too. Y pensé ustedes en the Estados Unidos crecidas también. This is basil, something the turkey don't eat. There's my lemon trees. I got three or four rows of lemon trees, and one row of 5 papayas here. They're doing pretty good. And you can see the reason for the fence being needed. That's why I haven't cultivated the rest of this, but see, they love the cebolla china. They've been destroying that. There's another healthy lemon, and yeah, okay, it's time to go help. Down one with the pool. GoPro stop. GoPro stop video.